time, making a lot of people happy, keeping people well fed and all. I'm going to give her a bit of a shock and get her to do her favourite crocodile, Harry. Yeah, get him up there, Brooke. Now we'll get him up here. Come on, big boy. Now when he comes up here, you get a clue of look at how fat this boy really is. He's having a bit of trouble there, he's slipping and sliding on a bit of algae. Mind you though, if that was mud, that fella would have been up here lickety-split, and you'd be lucky to have a chance to get away. Now just be careful guys, they do see him come up. They do like their bright colours, it looks like he's looking at you guys. Just eyeballing, here we go, he's clicked back on, he's coming back to the job now. Alright, cool.
Alright, Brooke. Okay, that's the way, Brooke.
Now Harry just had a nice sized tooth just pop out then. Now that is nothing unusual for these fellas, they do lose teeth quite regularly. Cheers mate. Good on you.
Well done, we'll give her a round of applause everyone. You've done a brilliant job.
Now yeah, as I was saying, he just lost a tooth, nothing unusual. These fellas will constantly lose and regrow teeth all throughout their life. Their teeth actually pretty much grow as quick as our fingernails do, so